Have you ever wondered how scientists measure physical quantities in the lab? Welcome to the intriguing realm of experimental chemistry, where precise measurements and keen observations are the keys to unlocking nature's secrets. Experimental chemistry is a fundamental pillar of scientific research, a discipline that allows us to explore and understand the world on a microscopic scale. In this video, we'll be focusing on the measurement of physical quantities. Yes, we're talking about the basics: time, temperature, length, and volume. These might seem simple, but in the lab, their accurate measurement can mean the difference between success and failure. But that's not all. We'll also explore how gases are collected in the lab, and we'll dive into the fascinating process of separating substances in mixtures. So whether you're an aspiring scientist, a curious mind, or simply someone who loves to learn, this journey is for you. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of experimental chemistry. In experimental chemistry, accuracy is paramount. It's the cornerstone of any successful experiment. So how do scientists ensure accuracy in their measurements of physical quantities such as time, temperature, length, and volume? Let's dive in. Time, often measured in seconds, minutes, or hours, is fundamental in understanding reaction rates. Temperature, measured in degrees Celsius or Kelvin, is vital in controlling the conditions of an experiment. Length, measured in meters, centimeters, or millimeters, helps understand the dimensions of an object or distance. Volume, usually measured in liters or milliliters, allows for precise quantities of substances to be used. Accuracy in these measurements is crucial in experimental chemistry. It allows for reproducibility and verification of results. Scientists use a variety of tools and techniques, from simple rulers and thermometers to advanced spectrometers and microscopes, to ensure the utmost precision. With these measurements in hand, scientists can conduct experiments and make discoveries. Gases play a critical role in many chemical reactions. These elusive substances are collected in a laboratory setting using a variety of methods. One common technique is displacement of water. Picture a gas being produced in a reaction and bubbling into a container filled with water. As the gas fills the container, it displaces the water, allowing us to measure the volume of gas produced. Another method is collection in a gas syringe. This is a large syringe, minus the needle, used to gather and measure gases. As the gas is produced, it pushes the plunger of the syringe outwards, giving us a direct measurement of the volume of gas collected. Different gases require different collection methods. For instance, some gases dissolve in water and thus need to be collected using the gas syringe method. Other gases might react with water, again making the gas syringe the better option. Properly collecting gases allows scientists to study their properties and behaviors. Not all substances like to stay mixed together. When it comes to the laboratory, we often need to separate these reluctant mixtures into their individual components. Now, how do we achieve this? We use a variety of separation techniques. Let's start with filtration. Picture this: you have a mixture of sand and water. You'd use a filter to trap the sand while the water flows through. Simple, right? Next up, we have distillation. This technique relies on the different boiling points of substances. If you've got a mix of water and alcohol, you'd boil the mixture. The alcohol evaporates first and then it's condensed back into a liquid in a separate container. Lastly, there's chromatography. This method separates components based on their different rates of movement on a special paper. It's like a race, but the fastest doesn't always win. These separation techniques are vital for isolating specific substances for further study. Experimental chemistry is a world of precision discovery and continual learning. A world we've journeyed through together today, delving into the core concepts that underpin it. We've explored the measurement of physical quantities: time, temperature, length, and volume. Fundamental skills that lay the groundwork for any chemical experiment. We discussed how gases are collected, a crucial process that allows chemists to study these elusive substances in detail. We've also looked at how substances in mixtures are separated, a process vital in isolating individual components for further study. These concepts are more than just chapters in a textbook. They are the tools that scientists use to unravel the mysteries of the material world. From the smallest atom to the largest chemical reaction, these techniques enable us to understand and manipulate the world around us. With these tools and techniques, scientists continue to uncover the secrets of our universe, one experiment at a time.